Hi friends, welcome. Government yesterday announced three major and very important schemes, and I should say well-crafted schemes, which will definitely take manufacturing in electronics in India ahead, and we should be seeing as a country our contribution to the global electronics ecosystem increasing manifold in near future. However, I think schemes, and it's not just this scheme, probably other schemes also, they need now to also add some qualifiers. And these should be more of qualitative qualifiers. For instance, in this scheme, now if anyone, if I talk specifically of say mobile industry, now if anyone wants to set up a manufacturing in India, and it could be of any mobile phone, a feature phone, a 2G smartphone, 3G smartphone, 4G smartphone, or even 5G smartphone, more or less the person, more or less they are getting same benefits. Our endeavor should be, and if we want to jump or leapfrog this evolution of technology and get the latest technology into the country, I think endeavor should be that we promote more of latest technology. So somewhere we could have perhaps added some qualifiers like if somebody is bringing 5G smartphone manufacturing ecosystem into India, we are going to give them maybe 2x the benefits than what others will get. Similarly, on the manufacturing, we should also be looking at what kind of manufacturing lines and assembly lines are these guys bringing in here. Is it based on the concept of smart factories or connected factories and industry 4.0 principles, or it's a normal kind of a factory line setup, assembly line setup? That all is very important to check while I think evaluating any kind of such applications. And why this is very important? Because over the period we have now established that the life cycle of any technology is shrinking. So one's ability to monetize and cash a particular investment on technology is squeezing over the years. What we did, perhaps the era of 2G was for a decade, 3G less than that, 4G probably more or less similar, and we don't know what will happen with 5G. So the point is that your opportunity to leverage and cash from these technologies is squeezing. Hence, we need to definitely ensure that we are investing and incentivizing latest technologies. That I think should have been there. That would definitely have added, more to the overall concept and overall logic behind launching and introducing these schemes. Uh, Similarly, on the factories side, perhaps the era of looking for large chunks of land is also needs a revisit. Why? Because we are now talking about maybe factories in a room, factories in a box kind of of concepts. I know they are not applicable everywhere, but the trend is going in that direction. So rather than probably looking at, okay, how many acres of land are you going to consume or this cluster would be set up on, I think the criteria should be what kind of technology are you bringing, as I was just now referring that is what element of connectivity would be there, how much automation, is it complying to Industry 4.0 elements. I think all those factors are very important now if we want to play a serious role in electronics manufacturing, and if we also want to be at par and probably skip a couple of evolutionary steps which maybe other countries have taken over the years. We In electronics you cannot be a laggard. You have to be, I think, at par with others. Only then it makes a lot more sense. That's what I thought I should be sharing today, and I would really encourage you all to share your views and comments on this thought. And ultimately the objective is that we do things in a better way, in a more sustainable way. Thanks for watching this video, and I would request please keep on subscribing to my channel. uh, we will be talking more very soon.